Hi, thank you very much for being here. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create a complete website with Squarespace. Let's come to the computer screen, and here is a Squarespace website, and I have already login here, and in the right side you will see a button Get Started. Click this. Now in this area you have to select a template for making your website. For example, if you want to do an online store, you have to click here, and if you want the topics from here like food, you can click here. So in food category there are different templates here, and I am going to select this template. You can preview before selection. Here you can see very neat and clean design. You can start with this design. Click this. Now this welcome screen, here you have to put the name of your website. In my case, I'm gonna put here product. Continue, and it's giving us some instructions. Click next. For creating paging instructions, next, and then get started. Here is my website, and you can see a left menu here in pages, design, commerce, and here is the editing area, the website area, and here is a button which will use for previewing the website. Let me preview it. Here is my website. You can see this clean design, and here is the shop button. Here are the products. I'm going back. Here is the blog. Here is about us or our story page. So now I'm gonna edit this website. So click this arrow again. I am in editing mode now, and here is the pages option. Now we will edit this website. You will see a button here, edit. You have to click this. This is our home page, and we are gonna edit it. If you want to edit the header, you have to click here. If you want to edit this section, you can click here. So this home page have different section, different buttons on it, and we are going to edit or add some sections here. So first of all, we will try to edit this header, edits header, and here you will find the different options. You can put your logo here, you can put the site title or logo here, you can add elements like if you want to show buttons, you can select, and if you want to show social medias, you can see social media button, both are here. So you can edit it from here easily. You can change the icon size from here, and cart button, and if you want the language switch, you have to select this, and you have to add some languages here. So I'm not gonna do it now. You can change the borders and some other settings depending upon your requirement. So this is a way how to edit the header of your Squarespace website. Now I'm going to edit this section. This section have different elements. When you will edit this section, you will see some elements here like the format, row counts, how many rows are here, and the gap between rows, fill screen or not. You have to click here. You can see the effect of this. So I'm gonna retain it, and you can put small, large from here, and then you have to go to background, and in background you can edit this image depending upon your requirement, and the effects of image, you can see the effect of image here, different effects of image, you can select it from here, and then image effects, and you can see background width, full bleed, insert. It depends upon your requirements. You can change it. Overlay opacity, you can also control it from here, and colors, you can change the colors of buttons and color of text from here. So this is a way how to edit any section in your Squarespace website. And now if you want to add some blocks here, let me introduce you what the blocks is. You have to click block here, and here you will find different blocks like text, buttons, form, newsletters, and embed, and markdown, and summary, and you can find different options here, like you can integrate the Twitter and filter and search bar here. For example, if I want to put search bar here, you can see the search bar here. So you can resize it and put it here. if you want to, let me put it here and you can put it here and you can resize it. So in this way you can easily add any block here. Let me edit this block. You can search specific pages, or you can see the dark and light effect of your search. You can select it from here. So this is a way how to add the block at any section. And in the same way, if you want to delete any section, you have to select and remove this section. So this is a way how to add or remove any section, or how to add any section in your Squarespace website. And now I'm gonna edit the headers, edit header, and you can edit it and you can check the background, or you may have different options here. So if you will double click it, you can see we are in the text editing mode, and now we can add the address of our business here. So this is a way how to edit a page in your Squarespace website. After setting it up, you have to click save. Here we go. Now you can add or control the pages of your website from here. Let me show you how to do it. Click this pages, and here you will find the navigation option. If you want to remove this shop, you have to click here, and if you want to edit this button, you will click this gear icon. You can see different options or different elements of this shop. Now you can add some code here, you can add social media here, you can do the SEO for that. So this is a way how to control. I'm gonna discard it. And if you want to put more links here, you have to click here. Like you want to add a blank page here, or you want to put the blog here, or store, or you can add more elements depending upon your requirement. So this is a way how to control the navigation, or how to add the page in your navigation menu. Let me go back. And here you can control the design of your website, like browse icon, lock screen, checkout, 404 page message. So you can control all of these things from here. In the same way, you can control the commerce activity from here. Like to get started, tell us where you are going to sell it today. If you want to add some sales channel in your website, you can easily select it from here, and when you will next, it will show you what you want to show in your social media, and you can import or export your products to the social media from here. So I'm not gonna do it, so I am going to close it. Let me go back to home. And here is the library where you can add the files or the pictures that you are gonna use in your website. So you can easily your assets from here. In the same way, I'm gonna tell you about the setting where you can control the setting, like social media links. You can add links here, and you can add your domain here, or in the same way you can check your billing, or you can work with Google Workspace. So this is a way how to make a complete website on Squarespace. After setting it up, you can preview your website like this. If you want to add products or remove products, you have to go to commerce, and here you will find the order button, and in this area you will find your orders from customers. And if you want to control the products or want to add products, you can easily control it from here. You can remove products, or you can add product from here. So this is a way how to make a complete website in your Squarespace. So this is a way how to create a complete website on Squarespace. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.